Hello and welcome to your daily entertainment buzz right here on Odata GATV exclusive. If you are new here, do well to subscribe. I'm still a virgin. I never got pregnant for Bill Asamoah, says Maame Serwaa. So Maame Serwaa was on the daybreak hit with Andy Dusty, and she made a very shocking revelation saying that she's still a virgin and she has never been in a relationship with either Bill Asamoah nor Mohammed Awal, and that Bill Asamoah was just grooming her in her acting career. And she also mentions something about she not getting pregnant for Bill Asamoah, which was rumored some time back that she was pregnant for Bill Asamoah. According to Maame Serwaa, she says she's still a virgin and that she has never been under the sheet with any man. This is what she said. It got to me when they said I'm having an affair with Bill and I was pregnant. I was never pregnant. I have never been. I am a virgin. I am telling the truth. I shouldn't have to have said this. Yes. She said that to Andy Dusty and many more. So, well, if you didn't know, Maame Serwaa says she's a virgin. It's up to you to believe that or not. And she also said she's never and ever been pregnant for anybody. Okay, so this has been your daily entertainment buzz right here on Odata GATV exclusive. Do well to subscribe. I pray for the point.